Have you ever truly noticed your footsteps? Not just walking, but the miracle of each step, the quiet shift of balance, the gentle rhythm of movement, the sacred dance between your body and the earth. In our busy world, walking has become a forgotten ritual, a way to go somewhere, a means to an end. But what if walking was the end itself? What if every step was the destination? This is the Tao of walking, a return to the rhythm of life, a return to yourself. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a forest path, leaves rustling underfoot, sunlight filtering through the trees, birdsong in the distance, and just you. Walking, nothing to prove, nowhere to go, no rush, just presence, just breath, just this step. We often think that peace is something we need to find, but peace walks beside us. It's there in the silence between your steps. It's there in the wind brushing your skin. It's there in your breath, steady, quiet, alive. When you walk with awareness, you begin to see that life isn't something you chase. It's something you meet. With each footstep, with each breath, with each gentle moment of now. The Tao, the ancient path of harmony, teaches us to flow with life, not fight it, to walk, not to conquer the path, but to become part of it, to move like water, soft, steady, unhurried. No resistance, no struggle, just movement, in harmony with the present. So how do we walk the Tao? We begin by slowing down, not in body alone, but in mind. We soften our thoughts. We release expectations. We let go of the idea that we must be somewhere else, someone else, something else. This moment is enough. This step is sacred. Feel your feet as they meet the earth. Notice the heel, the ball, the toes. Feel how the earth supports you, how it never asks you to be more or less than what you are. You don't walk on the earth. You walk with it. You are not above nature. You are part of it. Every step is a dialogue between you and the world. Breathe. Inhale gently through your nose. Feel the air move down into your belly. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your shoulders fall. Let your jaw relax. Let your mind quiet. This breath, this step, this is your practice. The Tao of walking is not just for forests and mountaintops. It's for sidewalks. It's for hallways. It's for airports and grocery stores and quiet nights pacing the kitchen. Wherever your feet touch the ground, you can return. You can return to yourself, to your breath, to now. Even in the noise, you can walk in silence. Even in the chaos, you can walk in stillness. The world doesn't need to be quiet. You need to become the quiet, and the path will appear. Many of the wisest people who ever lived walked. They walked not to escape the world, but to enter it more fully. They walked to think, to feel, to listen, to remember what truly matters. The body moves, the heart opens, the mind clears. Try it now, wherever you are. Stand up and take a single step, just one, but take it slowly. Feel the shift of your body. Feel the weight transfer. Feel your breath Match the pace. Now take another and another. You're not walking to go anywhere. You're walking to remember. Let walking be your meditation. Let it be your anchor. When thoughts rush in, come back to your feet. When emotions rise, come back to your breath. When the world feels heavy, come back to the step you are taking right now. There is no hurry. Even if the world runs past you, you do not need to run. The river flows at its own pace. The clouds drift without direction. The trees do not strain to grow. They simply grow. So walk like that, with grace, with trust, with presence. When you walk, you reconnect with nature, and with the nature within you, a nature that is not frantic, not anxious, not afraid, but calm, peaceful, steady. That part of you is always there, beneath the noise, beneath the doubt. Step into it, one foot at a time. And if the path is unclear, if you don't know where you're going, just walk anyway. The way reveals itself as you move. The Tao cannot be forced. It must be followed. Let life unfold at the pace of your steps, not the pace of your fears, not the pace of your schedule, the pace of your breath. Let walking become a sacred act, a way of praying without words, a way of returning without turning back. You don't need incense or mantras. You don't need a destination. You don't need a plan. You only need presence and the willingness to listen to the sound of your own footsteps. Every journey begins with a single step, and every single step is the journey. So today, slow down. Walk with awareness. Walk with kindness. Walk with breath. And know, you are not walking alone. The path walks with you. The Tao walks with you. If this message helped you feel more grounded, share it with someone who may need to slow down too. Subscribe for more moments of quiet clarity. And remember, wherever you walk, walk gently, walk wisely. I'm Harrison, and this is The Inner Garden.